ताळगांव पंचायतीच्या वेंचणुकेक बाबूश मोन्सेरातान दवरिल्ल्या पॅनलाची जैत जाल्ली. 11 वॉर्डांतल्यान 11 वॉर्ड बाबूश मोन्सेरातान दवरिल्ल्या उमेदवारांक ताळगांवच्या लोकांनी वेंचून दिल्ले. तातूंत एकटो बिनविरोध वेंचून आयिल्लो. बेरेस्तारा पंचायतीच्या सरपंच आनी उपसरपंचाची वेंचणूक जाली. ताळगांवचो सरपंच म्हूण आग्नेल डिकुना जाल्यार रेगा पयची उपसरपंच म्हूण बिनविरोध वेंचणूक केल्या. ताळगांवचे आमदार जेनिफर मोन्सेरात, आदलो महापौर सुरेंद्र फुर्तादो आनी हेर सरपंच आनी उपसरपंचाच्या वेंचणुके वेळार थंय हजर आसले.
We, as 11 members of Talegaon Panchayat, 11 hands of strong hands of Babushi's strong hands for people of Talegaonkars, would like to thank him for reposing that faith in us, and we have shown by putting our hard work, and with that we have given him 11-0 victory, which was required because we worked 27,365 a year. And I say a big thank you to Babush and Honorable MLA Jennifer Montserrat. A big thank you from all of us, Punch members as well as our team leads, our campaigning team leaders, our well-wishers and whole as people of Talegaonkar. Thank you Babush, wish you good luck for the Panjim election on the 19th. Please vote for him. The plans, the roadmap for Talegaon will be garbage plant. First priority to set up a garbage plant for proper collection, segregation and disposal. We are expecting wholehearted support from the government. We will meet our delegation with our MLA, will be meeting the Chief Minister, will be meeting Minister for Panchayat, and all the issues what needs to be done and needs to be sorted out will be trashed out as soon as possible.
When you talk about
If you go to see the infrastructure what we have created for another 10 to 15 years was created. Now we have to create an infrastructure for another 10 to 15 years ahead. It is the infrastructure for the youth. We want to have indoor stadiums. We need to have new roads which we have proposed. We need government support for that because the acquisition process is a tedious process. I hope the Chief Minister understands this process and we can do those networking of roads because traffic is a nuisance and we need to take up a first step to decongest our certain roads.
Set up for the next 5 years because, so how would you see that?
There are no plans as such. This is a big responsibility of the Talegaonkars and I assure you we will be having a clean, green, plastic free Talegaon. The plantation drive is my hobby. Cleanliness of the area is my hobby. I will see that all the footpaths which the seniors are using day to day will be kept clean. Of any, even one tile, if it is broken, Babush takes that interest of replacing it. I assure you, Talegaon roads will be pothole free in a month's time. There will be any work taken up by any contractor or any agency first has to deposit that money in our panchayat fund. If they don't do it, we will be using that fund to repair it because I see reckless digging. You see any road being dug up but they are not attending it. I'm concerned for the people of my village. I'm concerned the people of Talegaon and my surrounding area who are using these roads. So pothole free will be my first priority within a month.
First, I would like to congratulate Agnel for being elected Sarpanch and Rega Pai, Deputy Sarpanch. And they've been elected Sarpanch and Deputy Sarpanch for a purpose. It's because we knew and we know that they will work hard. Agnel, as like I said before, is constantly working hard towards the betterment of Talegaon, and Rega here is a very hard worker. She has proved herself on many occasions. So hence she is Deputy Sarpanch, and we will work together as a team. We don't work here as one single person. We all are going to sit together, plan out what is best for Talegaon and work as a team. What is foremost on our minds is the garbage treatment plant. As you know, the garbage dump was on fire some time back and it took us quite a few days to put out the fire. and we do not want a circumstance like that wherein it will affect the people of Talegaon. So that is first on our mind. The roads, second, as you know, the roads are in very bad condition because of the sewerage work which has been going on for the past 7 years and still not complete. So that is something we look forward to completing very soon now and getting our roads in proper condition for the motorists. It's right now it's very dangerous and difficult for people, especially who are on two-wheelers, to commute on a daily basis. That is the second thing. And the third would be the Santinis Nala, the desilting and cleaning of the nalas, which actually the cleaning of the nalas is always done before the rains by the panchayat. So this time we are thinking of cleaning and desilting it also. So that is what we want. And then all the other works what our punch members propose in their own words will be taken up.